Good afternoon. Would you like to know how to earn your first Bitcoin? Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, the best known cryptocurrency, but not about its production, mining, or about investment into cryptocurrency for the sake of profit. We are going to talk about its utility, the utility value of Bitcoin. One Bitcoin was cheap, but you did not buy it because you did not believe in its future. Then its value significantly rose. You would like to have it, but you cannot buy it that easily. Would you like to earn Bitcoins simply and easily? M2M Donations provides such an opportunity. What is M2M Donations program? The program M2M Donations is a completely automated platform which functions on a global level. Basically, it represents a matrix system 3x2. The software makes an automatic upgrade, reinvestment, and money withdrawal. It is a sophisticated mutual fund cash register. The only investment is 0.002 Bitcoin, which is the equivalent to 20 euros presently. The investment is returned with 3 registered members. It is an independent electronic Bitcoin wallet. There is no special knowledge or skill necessary. Anyone can become a member. In order to become a member in M2M Donations program, it is necessary that you have a Bitcoin wallet. The recommendation is to open a Bitcoin payment processor on blockchain. Money transfer is done fast and the transfer fees are not high in comparison to similar other processors. Simple and practical instructions for registration into M2M Donations, blockchain, and their mutual linking can be found on the website www.m2mdonations.com. You can also contact the person who introduced you to this program for assistance. From the electronic wallet that is fully independent, personal, and authorized, the funds are transferred to M2M Donations program and we receive income, that is, commission. The basic matrix is super-fast startup format 3x2. The next one is company-forced matrix that has 3 phases. Follow-up matrix also consists of 3 phases. Springboard start matrix is the only format 3x1 and serves as qualification for super-fast startup matrix. Super-fast startup is a basic matrix and we will explain how M2M Donations functions using this matrix. You have invested 0.002 Bitcoin, and in this way you have received your ID number and position in the matrix. You have spoken to your acquaintances, friends, and 3 of them have decided to join. For registering 3 members, you have received commission of 0.002 Bitcoin. In that way you have returned your investment, but that should not be the goal. It is good that your members earn the same as you do. And it is done in the way that everyone registers their 3 members. In that way, they have earned a commission of 0.002 Bitcoin. This is the basic format of every M2M Donations matrix except Springboard Start matrix that has only 1 level. And when is your next commission? When one, no matter who, of the 9 members from level 2 has his first 2 members, you have earned 0.004 Bitcoin. This is not paid via Bitcoin wallet, but the program automatically buys new positions. And this is how. We have 3 characteristic cases. You have registered only 2 members, but somebody was faster and made the same production as you did. In this case, the program buys a new position in super-fast startup matrix and a new position in company-forced matrix. In case you have filled level 1, that is 3 direct members, the program places your new position like this. When the next level 2 is filled, that means all 9 members, then your new position is placed in the following way. One should know when a member who did these 2 registrations should not be the first 9, but any of the 9, the effect is the same. The following fact is important. At the beginning, your referrals have helped you fill your matrix. By gaining this new position, you are helping your referrals fill their matrix. In this way, it is not that some are working for others, but we all work for everybody, or everybody for themselves. This means that the spillover above and below is built by the matrix downline and upline members. It is simply a real teamwork. What happens when a second, third, fourth 9 registers its 2 referrals? We have seen the effects and they are like the first 9. The next 5 9, when they have reached level 2, having 2 members, will bring you a commission of 0.02 Bitcoin. The program then automatically purchases a position in the follow-up phase 1 matrix, which is worth 0.02 Bitcoin. When a 7th 9 reaches level 2 or has 2 registered members, the program generates commission of 0.004 Bitcoin, which is immediately transferred to your Bitcoin wallet. Also for 8th 9 and 9th 9. In this way you have earned a commission of 0.012 Bitcoin, or total in Superfast Startup Matrix 0.014 Bitcoin. The program pays this to your Bitcoin wallet the moment you have qualified for that commission. How much did you earn in the Superfast Startup Matrix? When you registered 3 direct partners, you were paid 0.002 Bitcoin. When all 9 in the second line became level 2, you were paid 0.012 Bitcoin. A total of 0.014 Bitcoin was paid into the Bitcoin wallet. You have gained 3 new positions, one in Superfast Startup Matrix, worth 0.002 Bitcoin, one in Company Force Phase 1 Matrix, worth 0.002 Bitcoin, one follow-up Phase 1 Matrix, worth 0.02 Bitcoin. 0.024 Bitcoin has been invested in the purchase of new positions. So the earning of one position in the Superfast Startup Matrix is 0.038 Bitcoin. The mentioned commissions are for the Superfast Startup Matrix. Springboard Matrix has only one level, and it has a qualification character for Superfast Startup Matrix and provides commission of total 0.002 Bitcoin. The earnings in other matrices are, according to the model, the same as Superfast Startup Matrix. Company Forced Phase 1. For the first 3 members, 0.002 Bitcoin. For the following 9 that have reached level 2, 0.014 Bitcoin. Total 0.016 Bitcoin. Company Forced Phase 2. For the first 3 members, 0.02 Bitcoin. For the following 9 that have reached level 2, 0.158 Bitcoin. That is a total of 0.178 Bitcoin. Company Forced Phase 3. For the first 3 members, 0.2 Bitcoin. For the following 9 that have reached level 2, 3.598 Bitcoin. A total of 3.798 Bitcoin. Total in Company Forced Matrix for all 3 phases, 3.992 Bitcoin. Follow-up Phase 1. For the first 3 members, 0.02 Bitcoin. For the following 9 that have reached level 2, 0.14 Bitcoin. A total of 0.16 Bitcoin. Follow-up Phase 2. For the first 3 members, 0.2 Bitcoin. For the following 9 that have reached level 2, 1.4 Bitcoin. A total of 1.6 Bitcoin. Follow-up Phase 3. For the first 3 members, 2 Bitcoin. For the following 9 that have reached level 2, 34 Bitcoin. A total of 36 Bitcoin. Total in follow-up matrix for all 3 phases is 37.76 Bitcoin. Therefore, completing all matrices in all 3 phases for Superfast Startup and Springboard Start matrices, you have earned 41.77 Bitcoin. But this is not all. In every matrix now and in every phase you have at least one new position, which will earn the same as previous position, and so on forever. On the main website www.m2mdonations.com, you can see a detailed chart with earnings by levels and phases. Springboard Start and Superfast Startup matrices are shown here. Here you may find Company Forced Matrix by phases. On this slide you may find Follow-up Matrix by phases. And to conclude, opportunities occur in life. Sometimes we see and recognize them as ours, and sometimes we miss them by not recognizing them. M2M donations will be a real opportunity for many. Will that be a real opportunity for you? You are the one that decides, only you and nobody else. Welcome to the program M2M Donations.